So how do you soft reset the iPad? Let me explain it, and if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So the soft reset usually refers to a restarting of the device. So your iPad might be working fine, but there might be some bugs or it gets slow or something, and in order to perform the soft reset, it usually means to basically go to the control center, hold down on the power button in the top right corner, and essentially turn off the iPad. Right, so you're gonna wait a little bit, and then what you're gonna do is that, of course, you turn it back on. So you do it the normal way, where you just hold down on the power button like that, and you just wait for the Apple logo to appear. And the point is that this isn't gonna like delete any of your data. It's just a simple restart, and a lot of people call it the soft reset. Right, so that's something that you can definitely do. But outside of that, as you can see, I'm already inside. Sometimes it happens that the screen becomes unresponsive and it simply doesn't let you touch anything. Could happen for various different reasons, and in that case you can perform what's called force restart or force reset. This is done through the physical buttons on the side of the iPad only. So you would perform a sequence of pressing the volume up button, then volume down, and then holding down on the power button. So in reality it would look like this, right? So let's say my iPad isn't responsive and I want to perform the force restart. So I'm going to press the volume up, volume down, and then hold down on the power button. As you can see, I'm still holding it. I'm just waiting for things to happen, but basically I just want to make sure the screen goes black as well, and I also get the Apple logo. So once I get it, I can just leave the iPad behind. I can lift the finger and basically wait for it to boot up normally. So that is the force restart. So I kind of wanted to clarify how that kind of works. As you can see, different methods of restarting the iPad. And there is also the factory reset, which can be found inside of the settings. When you go to the general section, it might take a while for the settings to load up after this kind of like resetting. So essentially part of the settings and general on the iPad, you can see the transfer or reset, and you can as well tap on erase all content and settings, and this is the option which will basically delete everything from your iPad and make it look and behave like brand new models. So that's what you can do as well. Let me know if I managed to make things clear for you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.